Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the figure above, the diameter of the semicircle is 10 and the length of CD of rectangle ABCD is 3. What is the length of BC? Okay, the length of the side CD of the rectangle is given, that is 3 units. And also we have the diameter of the semicircle is given, that is 10 units. We have to find the length of the side BC of the rectangle. Okay, since the two vertices of the rectangle B and C are on the semicircle, so the center of the semicircle over here should be the midpoint of the side AD of the rectangle. Okay, now let's name the midpoint of the side of the rectangle AD as M. So this M also represents the center of the circle. Okay, now let me draw a radius to this semicircle, that is MC. So the line segment I have drawn over here connects the center of the circle and a point C on the semicircle. MC represents a radius. Okay, since the diameter of the semicircle is 10, then the radius has to be 5, that is half of this 10. So the length of this MC has to be 5 because it's a radius. Okay, since it is a rectangle, at each vertex will have right angle. So the vertex D will have right angle over here. Now let's consider the triangle MCD over here. It is a right triangle. In particular, it's a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Because in this right triangle, the length of the hypotenuse means a side which is opposite to right angle, has length 5. And in the remaining two legs, that is MD and CD, one of the legs is having the length 3. Then the length of the remaining leg MD has to be 4. So easily we can identify the length of the leg using the concept 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Otherwise, what we can do is we can use Pythagorean theorem to get the length of this side MD. Since M is the midpoint of the side AD of the rectangle, so the length of this AM also must be 4 because M is the midpoint. What is the length of this AD? So that is 4 positive 4, that is 8. In any rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. Okay, so in this rectangle, AD and BC are the opposite sides. They must be parallel and equal in length. So whatever length you have for the side AD of the rectangle, the same length you will have for the side BC of the rectangle. Okay, now I got the length of the line segment BC. It is 8. We find this 8 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.